So we're gonna make for you today a really delicious pizza crust.
I can't wait for these.
Now, who said we couldn't have pizza?
I love it. That's my favorite.
Let's
Sure
get
is.
to it.
Okay, so we're gonna get this dough ready. Here I'm gonna have 2.5 cups of almond flour. I'm going to have 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, and half a teaspoon of salt. And I'm gonna mix that together. I've also added 1 pack of yeast. No need to activate it. It does not rise almond flour, but it does help mimic the flavor of the pizza crust. I've also added 1 teaspoon xanthan gum and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Once I have mixed all my dry ingredients, I'm going to add 2 beaten eggs and extra virgin olive oil. You're gonna wanna add about 2 tablespoons. Now we mix. You can start with the spatula and then you can knead it with your hands if you prefer, or just continue mixing with your spoon or your spatula. See, my dough is starting to form here. There's a ball. You just want to make sure it's all mixed in. Once you have your dough, you're going to transfer it to parchment paper. It's great because it's non-stick. And then you're gonna take another piece of parchment paper, put it on top, and then you're gonna squish it out, roll it out to make your pizza crust.